There's definitely been a move towards open access, which is accelerating at the moment. So if you look at the number of open access articles published in 2012, is about 12.4%, and that's risen in 4 years in 2016 to about 15.2%. This slide shows the growth of open access over 2008 to 2016. So there are different forms, obviously, of publishing. There is subscription, there is hybrid journal, which is subscription, then open access, and open access. And this is something to keep an eye on. We are moving towards open access publishing, and if you want to go and read about that, it's easy to do, and particularly keep an eye on Plan S from the European Union, which is a requirement to move towards open access.